Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here. I'm headed into Walmart to look around and I thought I would invite you guys to come with me. Let's go shopping. So we'll start over here with all of the outdoor lanterns and go through everything. They're putting out so many cute things for summer. The first thing that caught my eye is this little tabletop lantern that is just like a pineapple. I love that you can remove the top and then cover up the wick. All kinds of little table torches. Now, I've actually never used one of these, but I am tempted to try one this summer. We are setting up the backyard currently, and I think one of these would be really nice for evening dinners. They also have quite a few standing lawn torches in the regular bamboo style, as well as a few more fancy items. And this definitely caught my eye. It's just a cute little galvanized tin with the citronella candle inside of it, totally reusable. As well as this little pot, you could use up the citronella candle and then put succulents in it. They are putting out some really cute things. I really love this Better Homes and Gardens version. It's a little pricey at $12.77. They also have this set for $7.64. This is another pretty set in the different colors, ceramic candles. And this is honestly what I was most excited about. These planters are huge. So this is sort of a window box planter, massive in size, definitely has the whole farmhouse look, I think, with the whitewashed metal. Really nice for $16.47. They have a few different items in this look, including the plant caddy with the little wheels on the bottom. And these are pretty heavy metal. Of course, they have all the liners for sale and these hanging baskets. They are, again, so huge. I wish I could give you an exact measurement, but they are very large. They are the largest hanging planters I saw in the whole store. And I've even been to Home Depot and I don't think I've seen any this big. Really, really pretty. I love that they're whitewashed, a little bit different than the black that we're used to. And they also have these little plant stands. And at first I thought this was misplaced because it was the only one here for $9.97. That's a really, really good deal. But I did find more in another corner and that is the price. They also have this really cute set of 3 connected plant stands, sort of a fold out version for $24. And basically I want all of the things that look like this right now. Really nice plant hangers, very heavy duty, nice little price tag on them too, but they are very heavy. I took one off the hook. Found some little chickens and metal garden ornaments, the little turtles, lots and lots of the tractors, mushrooms and gnomes, and even a peacock and a flamingo. Little sitting frog. They have a lot of wind spinners. Now, last year I bought the one on the far right in the bronze and it did not spin. It was very flimsy and the rod on it just broke pretty much the first day out of the box. So I wouldn't necessarily recommend them, but They are pretty inexpensive, so you could always give them a try. They're putting out quite a few of the flower garden stakes that are solar and light up at night. Very pretty. And I did want to look at some of the bird feeders. They are putting out a few that I think are a little farmhouse inspired. I love this white one here. It is a pretty good size. It was hard to tell which one was priced at which price because they were all kind of smashed together, but I believe that one is $19.44. This fun little mason jar looking version, I think that one is the $14.74. And the umbrellas. So I am a big fan of a black and white stripe. I love that one, but this blue one is really nice. It's almost denim looking. And if I did blue, I would definitely take a look at that one. Of course, they have the faux tiki looking ones, and I love this black and white print as well. They have out a lot of fun little solar items and more decorative items over here together for lighting and such. I really like these little lanterns. They remind me of the DIY I did using Dollar Tree items. The big marquee barbecue sign for $13.72. They have the arrow, which wouldn't necessarily have to be garden decor, could easily go inside. These are really pretty lanterns, and I really like these little solar lanterns. They're $9.74. They're actually pretty big, probably about 9 or 10 inches tall. They're the type that have the light at the top and it just kind of bounces off the bottom. And these cuties in the galvanized metal. And here is a candle version in a large wooden lantern. Now let's go over and look at all of the cushions and pillows for your dining table and outdoor furniture. They did a good job this year. I really like that they did a reversible pattern on a lot of these, so you could mix and match. Of course, they have the staple colors, the blues, the reds, but I do think they threw in some fun prints. This one looks kind of Southwest or Aztec, and of course the leafy green that I think they put out pretty much every year. But they also did this whole sort of nautical look, and I think these down here are going to be pretty popular. They have a flamingo print and a pineapple print, and they are pretty cute. Now these are not reversible, it's the same pattern on both sides, and they have them in lots of different shapes and sizes, seat cushions, and then the full chair cushion. This floral is so pretty on the white backing. We'll see pillows in that in just a minute, and they have the cactus print on a teal. The camera I'm using kind of messes with the color, but it's a very bright teal. And then they have the pineapple on more of a blue, and it's the same pattern on both sides as well. I just think this is really cute. And the flamingo. So the flamingo's a slightly different color. It's more of a teal than the blue pineapple. And they also have a floral on teal. Lots of outdoor rugs to choose from. I think this black and white one is a pretty popular print right now. I also really like this beige. It's sort of like a rug I have for indoors that I got at Target last year. And they do have different prints and florals. I actually found more rugs in just a few minutes. We'll look at just a couple more. This is a very pretty blue print. Here's another boho looking print, the teal with arrows and Aztec on it. I like that they're putting these pictures on the sides of the rug racks so you can kind of see the whole pattern together. Plenty of just striped cushions, as well as their $5 patio pillows. They're a pretty good size and they come in so many different prints. This lemon is really cute. Now I remember the cardinal being out around Christmas. It's still around. Of course, I live in California and we usually have patio items year round, so maybe that was just in my area. The blue anchor is really cute and would go well with a lot of the cushions they put out. As you can see, there's more Aztec print in here and some cactus. This is a really nice red print, and then the dragonfly. Some more prints. This little pineapple one would go really well with those seat cushions. They even have that floral print in a pillow, and you can't beat the price for $5. You could mix and match and do a red seat cushion and use that pillow as well. And I found these fun little roosters. Actually, they're quite large. And these, which I thought were really fun, they are cactus solar garden stakes. Just under $10. Here are the other rugs I was telling you about. I think their prices are really good. I'm not sure how they would hold up over time, but if you're just looking for probably a one summer rug or you take really good care of it, I'm sure that these would do well. They also have the Faux Turf. Really bright one back there. A black and white stripe right up my alley. And this is really nice to be able to see what the prints look like. I did want to share with you guys just a few pieces of garden furniture and a couple fire pits that they have. Now I think this set is really nice. You get the table and the seats that are pretty well made, and the cushions that are pretty heavy duty as well, and the accent pillow. And this little set is so cute. It is a red Metal Bistro Set. You get the chairs and the table for $96. Those are two of their $5 pillows that I think they just threw on there. This is a really nice fire pit with a lid, and here is a much more affordable version. Now this bench, you guys, I've thought of more than once since I went in to look at it, and I am considering going back to get it. It's a really good price. It's pretty well made and heavy, and it is by the Mainstays brand. That price you just cannot beat. All of the other benches were so much more expensive when I was pricing them. I think this is another really good buy, is their little rocking chairs for $77. I could not find prices for any of their wicker furniture, but it's that plastic style wicker, so it's really washable and more durable. And these are adorable. They are the metal mix and match chairs, and They scream farmhouse. Better Homes and Gardens makes them, and it's not anywhere listed what the price was, but they could easily be indoor chairs. Here is a look at some of their umbrellas opened up. A few of the more expensive prints. That blue one over there is so pretty opened up. If our umbrella dies this summer, I'm considering the black and white stripe. As you can see, my store still has plenty of the trucks. I know so many of you tried to go out and find them and haven't, and I've got my fingers crossed for you. We have the large and small still in my store. And last year I had to invest in an umbrella base, so I just wanted to show you what they have in case you're in the market for one. This one almost looks woven, and then they have the more scrolled one, and of course the affordable plastic version. Now I know that every Mother's Day I have a list of goodies for my garden that I like. So I was out looking at all of the pots and I came across some really nice ones. I love this woven wicker one. It has a really heavy duty plastic liner on the inside. And they're definitely putting out a lot of decorative planters that are both just tabletop and hanging planters. This white one is so pretty. Those are a bit more on the pricey side for just under $30. Really pretty, creamy floral prints, and then more of the bright pop of color. They did a lot of red and a lot of blue. This little flower is really nice. And it has a miniature version. Now the miniature version is only $5. The larger flower is $15.44. These little owls are planters as well. And these striped black and white cups, either coffee cups or tea cups, depending on what you drink, are also planters. The smaller is the $6.47. And the larger one was $14.73. And these are just $1.44, and they're little 4-inch planters. They could be easily used inside with faux succulents, especially this little one that says "Stuck on You." And the gold polka dot would be really cute for Mother's Day with a little plant in it. And for $1.44, you can't beat the price. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little garden decor shop with me at Walmart. Let me know down in the comments, do you decorate outdoors for the summer? I'd love to hear from you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon in the next one.